welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a little while, but I was actually trying to do something different this time. I wanted to show you guys how I clean my house when my kids are sleeping. So this is me unpacking some groceries that I had bought when I got home, and I usually do my grocery shopping earlier in the day, but today I had to do it a little later. So here I am just unpacking and putting everything away. I usually like to turn on a candle while I'm cleaning, that way the house starts smelling good, and it actually helps me a little bit relax to turn on the candle. And right now I'm using the Meyers Honeysuckle scent, and I really love the scent of Honeysuckle from Mrs. Meyers, so I got the candle because I love the scent so much. So again, the spray that I'm using is also Mrs. Meyers and Honeysuckle. We just moved to this place, so I try to keep it very organized and clean as much as I can, because we are living on our own now, so I like to be a little more neater with my stuff. I also like watching YouTube videos while I am cleaning, but this time I wasn't. I actually just had my phone with me because I was actually waiting for my husband to tell me when he was going to get home so I can start getting his dinner ready. So this is my small little kitchen in my apartment, but I try to keep it very organized and clean, because it's one of the places that I am the most. Like, most of my day is spent in the kitchen. This is where we keep our shoes. I don't like using shoes inside my house, especially because I have little kids, and now that we have 2 dogs, it's a little hard to maintain it clean, but I like to keep it organized. So I always try to keep the shoes that we use the most inside the basket. My husband, he just couldn't decide what he wanted to put on the basket because he uses all his shoes, but he typically keeps like a pair of sneakers in there. This was during Thanksgiving time, so I have like the little turkey out and the little placemats out for Thanksgiving time. So I wanted to show you guys a little bit of the state that the children's play area was. My son makes a complete mess. He takes everything out and he breaks it into the kitchen. Those are my 2 dogs right there. I do have to tie up Milo when I'm cleaning, otherwise he won't let me clean. So I always use OxiClean to clean the little carpet that we have there, just because it gets a little dirty. My little boy loves to play with chalks and things like that, and it just always gets all over the floor. So I always try to maintain it clean by using OxiClean to get the stains out as well. So this time when I was cleaning, I was actually watching that 70s show. I love that show. So it's on Netflix, so I decided to start it from the beginning to the end. And I love either watching TV while I'm cleaning, or listening to music, or listening to a YouTube video. But right now I was watching that 70s show, and I just think that show is so funny, and I remember watching it when I was younger. So we call it the sticker table. My little boy decided to call that himself. So what he does is just get stickers and put stickers on the table. I'd rather him put stickers on the table than anywhere else. So we call it the sticker table, and he's also using stickers to decorate his potty. I let him do it because I think it helps him start using it. So we encourage whatever it takes so he can start using the potty. at this point. So there I am laughing, probably at Fez or Mike or Kelso. So I just kind of make piles of things that don't belong in certain spaces, and I just take them to whatever space they need to be in. My little boy picked that pillow out from a store that is close to our house, and he decided that he wanted to put it there. So I just let him put it in there because he picked it out himself. So this is kind of how it looks now, the after. Sorry for the lighting. It was late at night. I really didn't want to take on my light to kind of brighten up the room. I was really tired. I wanted to get a video out, and I'm still working. I'm just starting YouTube, so I'm still kind of figuring things out how they go. So right now this is our room. Again, it's not so put together. We just moved here, and this is our bed. So I just bring everything that was in the living room that belongs in this room, and I just put it in there. I am wiping our dresser drawer with, again, the Mrs. Meyers Honeysuckle. I love that scent. It smells so good. I recently got the basil scent just because I saw one of my favorite YouTubers, Love Meg, said that she really liked that scent, so I wanted to give it a try. I always keep a sweater next to where I sleep, just because I get really cold at night, so I just like to keep a sweater on me at all times. So yeah, this is our room right here. I bought those little pillows. This is Joy at a thrift store for 25 cents, believe it or not. And the lights, I got them at Target at the dollar section. So I really like the little pillow. I enjoy Joy. So this is my bathroom. I clean it with a Mrs. Meyers toilet and tile cleaner. I think it's in the lemon scent, so I really like it. And I actually use I was using Windex for a very long time, but I decided to change it to something more organic. I'm using the Method glass cleaner. I really like it. I like the scent. It's a mint, so I really like how it smells with the Mrs. Meyers lemon scent. Well guys, this is where I'm going to end the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, something a little more different. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. I would love to hear your comments about how you clean your house. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!